Right now, Metabo HPT has a deal going directly through Metabo HPT, not through any of the stores, where you can get up to 10 multi-volt 4/8 amp hour batteries for free. Yes, free. It's very simple, it's very easy. You can go to any store, you can get almost any deal, and you can buy almost any tool. We're gonna go over this complete. Stay tuned. To check out this promotion, go to Metabo HPT free.com. I'll also put a link in the description. You can see here they're talking about buy any 18 volt or 36 volt tool and you can get a free 4 or 8 amp hour multi-volt battery for free. And there are some exclusions, but it's very, very little. This is going to go for any tool purchase from July 1st through September 30th, 2022. Limit of 10 per user. That's pretty sweet. So if we click redeem now, this is going to show you everything that they're going to want you to put in so you can see what's happening. If we click on the model purchased, this will show us that we can choose any bare tool model or kitted model. So you're just going to want to make sure that you follow the list here. There is a very significant amount of tools here. There are obviously some that are excluded. Go through this list, check out what you need, check out what you're looking for, find your good deal. I mean, this could be at many different places, and then once you click on it, it'll ask you a few questions about your trade, occupation, your education, but then it clicks, or you can click on the store name. So you can buy from Lowe's, Menards, Amazon, White Cap, Acme Tools, Southern Carlson, or Tool Barn, or you can click other. Now, I would be careful buying on Amazon. Make sure that you buy new. And if you click other, I would also make sure that I bought new and it wasn't a used tool, because at some point in time here, they're going to ask you where your other store name is here. And then the reason for your purchase, who cares? The serial number, that's going to be big. Make sure it wasn't registered before. Your purchase date, then you're going to upload your receipt and upload the UPC. Very simple. You can buy 10 tools here, get 10 batteries, and you can look for your best deal, be it kitted or be it bare tool. So you might be able to find some smoking deals out there, because again, this is directly through Metabo HPT, not through any of the stores. So the stores might have something on sale, or you might have some way of getting things cheaper with a military discount or anything like that. And you can come up with some really good deals here. I mean, this is a bare tool jigsaw here. Boom. Then you get a free large battery. Now, if you're just getting into the Metabo HPT line, I'd highly suggest that you buy something that is a kit with a battery, because that's going to come with a battery charger. That's the one thing. If you just bought 10 tools here, you would get 10 free batteries, but you wouldn't have a charger. So make sure that you buy at least something in here that does have a kit that has a charger, if you don't already have a Hitachi or Metabo HPT charger. Very, very sweet, very easy. This is something that I think everybody should get in on. This deal is just one more thing that makes Metabo HPT stand out from the pack as far as what they offer. Not only are they giving you up to 10 free batteries, obviously you're going to buy some tools, but at the same point, you're getting a lot of money in batteries on top of it. Sometimes they'll run a thing where they have free AC adapters. That is also pretty cool, and they're one of the only tool manufacturers that you can buy a battery operated tool, buy the AC adapter, or get it free and plug it into the wall and use it, giving you a tool that's going to last a lifetime. I think it's huge. I've been a huge supporter of them since they came out. I just love what they do, and I think they make very high quality tools. They've also lowered their prices on a lot of their nailers. So if you're in Lowe's or looking on Acme Tools online, look at some of their nailers. They have some of the best nailers out there on the market, and their prices are absolutely amazing and getting better by the day, which is not something we're seeing these days. We're usually seeing prices go up and up. So comments below. Love to hear if you took advantage of this deal. Anything else you got to say, put it down there. As always, please give us a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Share this with your friends. Have a great day.